Update on Washington State. The governor, with his stay-at-home order, they have just closed fishing in Washington State. Too many people were gathering on the docks, I guess on the coast, and fishing. So now they have closed all fishing in Washington State. Crazy. You can't even go down to the river and go fishing or to one of your local lakes or anything, even if there's nobody else there. It's all closed. It's weird that they'd close fishing. I could see putting mandates of, well, you can't fish next to anybody or something, but it's closed. So y'all have a good one. And I was planning on going fishing this weekend, but if I do, I guess I better go someplace I don't get caught. Oh my goodness. Y'all have a good one. Bye.